Welcome in update version of in-out coordinates. In this version, I update some command. For example, for export coordinate, I added here line and arc and update the command export for polylines. Here's a polyline, it have 5 vertices. If I check 5 vertices, but in the new version, it will take only 4 points. The duplicated vertex, the application will ignore it. And also if the polyline have arc, it will respect the arc and insert a point in the middle of the arc. Let's check export coordinate. I will choose here polyline and select the format text, CSV, SDR and GSI. Text height 0.5, start from number 1, and also insert AutoCAD table. And the arrangement I will choose from select. Export point, enter the name, polyline, save. I will select this polyline, okay, and select the polyline for slab limit. Press enter. Select a point for table insertion. I will put here. Okay. If I check here, it have only 4 points. And this polyline, I check number of vertex. It have 5 vertex. And also for the polyline have curve. Insert a point in the middle of the curve. Another command export coordinate for line and arc. Choose from here line and arc and select the format. Okay. No need to insert AutoCAD table. Export line, save. You can select all or select one by one to save the number arrangement. Okay, enter. Now extract the coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and don't duplicate any point. If I check the output, I put in export. I have here 4 extension for line, CSV, GSI, SDR, text, and also same format for polyline. For import coordinate, here import GSI format, only filter GSI file. I will choose from import this point. Here ask about the format point east north Z or point north east Z. Select any format, for example this. Okay, insert all point and make them extend. And here all the point. If I check, it insert the point and this is the point name and this is the point elevation. Each text in a separate layer. Another one, import SDR format. Okay, we'll choose this file, open, and select the format. I will choose here point northeast Z. Okay. Here's a point name, point elevation, and point description. Import CSV file. It will import CSV file with separator, comma, or semicolon, or space. For example, I have here, in this file, I have here the separator, space, and here the separator is comma. It will insert, import CSV file. I will select XY comma, ask for the format. Okay, I have this format, insert all point. Again, import CSV file. I will choose space and the format, and here's a point. Another command for import text file. If you check here, this is separator with tab. Okay. And this was comma. I will select this, import, and choose the format. Okay. If you want to reverse the coordinate X and Y, choose this and select all. Enter. Do you want to delete the alt text and the point? I will choose no. And here, the new point, the application reverse the text and point.